Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Today we'll speak about 50 new words in Russian. We'll speak about feelings. So, how do you feel today? I'm happy. I'm happy because I want to teach you today. New lesson today. That's why I'm happy. So, I can't say it about my Russian friend because he has 3 different feelings. Let's go to the board to check how he can feel himself. So, let's start from the word calm. Calm, спокоен. Calm, спокоен. Happy, as me. Happy, счастлив. Silly, глупый. Silly, глупый. Relaxed. Relaxed, расслабленный. Расслабленный. Don't care about anything else. Расслабленный. Nervous, nervous, нервный. Shouting, nervous, shouting. Annoyed, раздражительный, раздражительный. If you speak with me, I can't speak with you. In a good way, I mean. Okay, it's not about me. It's not about me. If I am, I can tell you. But I'm not. So, sad. Печальный, sad, печальный. Shy. Shy. Скромный, скромный. So, surprised. Surprised. Удивленный, я не знаю. Удивленный. Surprised. Счастлив, удивлен. Hungry. Hungry. Hungry, I'm голоден. Голоден, hungry. But ставен, we don't have 2 different words. We can say just очень. It means so much. I'm hungry so much. Я голоден, очень голоден. Умираю с голоду. I'm dying from it. Голоден. Angry. Злой. Angry. Confused. Смущенный. Confused. Смущенный. Puzzled. Puzzled. Озадаченный. Puzzled. If my brain I'm moving inside, I'm thinking too much, can't sleep. Puzzled. Озадачен. Excited. Волнующе. Excited. So, sleepy. Sleepy. Сонный. Sleepy. Are you sleepy? No, you shouldn't. You have to awake and look at the board because I have another 20. Wait. Sick. Болен. Sick. Болен. So, we have a 2 different way to say that. If I have my sore throat or I have a temperature, I can say sick, больной. Or if I have a problem with my behavior, someone can say больная, больной. It means like you have a problem with your behavior and with your head, I guess. So больной, sick. So hurt, травмированный, hurt. Someone hurt me, травмировал меня, травмировал. Hot, hot, жарко. Or about the person, горячий, горячий, hurt person, горячий. Cold, холодный, холодный. You're so cold. Ты холодный. Безразличный. Worried. Переживающий. Worried. Frozen. Frozen. Замерзший. Замерзший. Замороженный. Frozen. Замороженный. Innocent. Невинный. Innocent. Невинный. Jealous. I'm jealous. If I love someone and I think he is not with me, or I want to be with this person, I'm so jealous, thinking too much, checking him, thinking, I'm not that. Maybe. Jealous. Or another way to say jealous, if I want the same life as yours, завистливый, you know, another word, another meaning. If I want something yours, if I don't have money but you have, I am jealous. I want the same, I want the same. It's like a jealous, завистливый, the same. So, afraid, бояться, afraid. Proud, гордиться, proud. I'm proud of you. You are still with me now. I'm proud of you. So, ill, болен. My nose is running, so I'm болен. So, attentive, внимательный, attentive, attention. You should be attention, attentive, внимательный. Suspicious, подозрительный. Next one, alert. You should be alert, because when you come somewhere, go somewhere, you should be alert. Check your bag. Don't speak with the people who you don't know. Just speak with me. Be alert. Be alert. Бдительный. Alert, бдительный. So, upset, расстроенный. Upset, расстроенный. Excited, волнительный, волнующий. Взволнованный. Взволнованный, excited. In love, влюбленный, thinking just about her or him, everything around like in a rose color. We can say that in Russian. You have your rose glasses. You can't see anything bad about that person. You are in love. Everything perfect, what he did or what she did. So, in love. Scared, бояться, scared, бояться. Motivated, мотивирован, быть мотивированным. Мотивирован. So long word, so difficult to pronounce all letters, but you should try. Loved, любимый, loved, любимый. Thirsty, жаждущий, жаждущий. Thirsty. So selfish, don't be selfish. Thinking about another person who want to tell you the truth or to want to do something for you. Don't be egoist, selfish, эгоист. Tired, уставший. Charming. Am I charming? I hope I hope I am. Charming, очаровательный, charming. Depressed, don't be on depressed. Depressed, депрессивный. Don't be депрессивный. Motivated, мотивированный. Motivated. Bored, скучный, bored. Don't be bored. Am I bored? No, I don't hope. I hope not. I don't think so. Hopeless, безнадежный. Hopeless, безнадежный. Sad, расстроенный, sad, расстроенный. So, what else? Shocked. If someone will be here and may scare me, I will be shocked. I don't think so. now someone here, but okay, will be shocked. Don't be shocked. Не будь шокирован. Don't be shocked. Не будь шокирован. Shocked. Шокирован. Overwhelming. Overwhelming. Подавленный. Подавленный. Strong. Strong. Сильный. Strong. Сильный. Weak. Слабый. Слабый. Weak. Слабый. Rude. If I'm shouting at you, don't speak with me. Do this, do that. I'm so rude. Грубый. Грубый. Tender. Нежный. Нежный, нежный, нежный. Okay. Let's continue. Sweet, сладкий, sweet, сладкий. So, another, do you have another? Maybe you have another something what you need to know. So, send me a message here and I will answer at the next video. Please doing it. I'm waiting you. So see you.